Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can see, I'm outside getting ready to go with my sister. She has an appointment with the dentist. So I'm having my breakfast, guys. It's a peach. Yeah. Okay, let's go. So we are here at the dentist, and look at my sister, she's so serious. So my sister just went in, and I'm also thinking of coming to the dentist. Obviously I need to come see the dentist, and I'm also thinking of getting braces. Yeah, I think I should do it. Hey guys, welcome back. This is like a totally different day. So today what we are doing is twist braids, and the fiber that I'll be using, the hair I'll be using is from Darling. So I've decided to go with black. I know that my previous video, this vlog, I'll show it up here or here. I did say that I wanted a nice colorful hair, but because Muntu might have to work soon, I have to be professional. So I decided to go with just plain all black. So yeah. So as you can see, I've sectioned these into 3 blocks here at the bottom. So you split the hair into 2, and then you take the fiber and you place it in between, and then you put your hair together, and just make sure that the hair is nicely placed. And then what you do is, well, I'm using a wool, but you can use a plastic band. But let me show you guys at the front so that you're able to see properly. So you split the hair into 2. Your lines don't necessarily need to be straight, but I mean, look at me trying to make them straight. And then you take the fiber and you place it in between the hair, and you put the hair together, and just make sure that the fiber is nice and neat. And then I used a wool. Yeah, I didn't realize I ran out of plastic bands, but it's okay. I'm hoping that this won't ruin my hair. So just make sure that the hair is nice and tight, and then you tie it up and cut the wool off. And then what you do is you make sure that both the sides are equal, and then you split your hair into two. And what you do is you cover it with the fiber so that when you plait your hair, it's nice and neat. And you do the same to the other side. And once it's nicely covered, you just plait. So you just twist and twist and just twist. We have come to the end of our video. So if you guys enjoyed that, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it as well. And also guys, if you have any questions, drop me a comment. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and hit that notification bell so that you are notified every single time I upload a video. God bless and love you. Bye.